And take 100 of this crap. You guys, I am so kind of like over it. I've been trying to propagate by leaf cuttings some of my snake plants, and I started with my moonshine. What was it? It was 2 leaves. I cut them off because they were suffering from root rot, so I was able to save the top half. So I was going to propagate them, but it didn't work. I was going to make a video. They completely rotted in water, and I was also doing this one at the same time. This one has actually not, and it looks like it has actually started growing something there, but like, you guys, at this point I don't want to take any chances, because it's like I feel like such a failure, because before I did the snake plants, I tried to do succulents and those didn't work. They completely rotted. So I decided to take this one out of the water, and I'm going to do the soil, because I see a lot of people do it in soil, and it looks easier, and it looks like there's a higher percentage of leaf cuttings that grow when you do the soil method. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it in soil, and fingers crossed that this actually works. Obviously this will take a while, because the snake plant does take a while to propagate. It grows very slowly, so I'm going to try and have some patience. So I will let you guys know. I'm not even gonna upload the other videos, because it's just, at this point, it's embarrassing. But I will talk to you guys in a few. Let's see what happens. Look at this. It's so pretty. Oh, and look at the mama bear here, which it has actually grown a lot, you guys. A lot. Okay, you guys, excuse the mess, because I just finished taking out this big, let me see, let me put this up for more light. I just finished taking these 2 leaves out from here, so I need to clean up. This one, I'm looking through it, and it's actually okay. I think this is a little bit better, you guys. I added the flash because you can't really see, but this one, I'm looking through it, and it has so many babies. Let me see. It has new growth, basically, growing in. See that one there? Let me see. There's a few others. Where was the other one that I saw? Where's the other one? Right here, that one. And it's very hard. Oh my gosh, look at this one, how pretty it's growing. Look at this. There's this one here that's up to here, and then this one growing right here. Okay, so yeah, it has a bunch of other growths, but it's kind of hard to get in there right now. So I took these 2 leaves out. This is going to be a short video. I want to explain how to propagate in soil very quickly. I already have, where's the other one that I have? I already have this one that I did a month ago, and this was from a leaf that I used that was going to propagate in water. The other leaves got damaged, so I took this one out from the water. I let it dry for a few days so that it could callus over, and then I put it in soil. It actually has roots now. It has 2 roots, 2 small little roots. So I'm going to do the same thing with this one, and I'm going to do a very clear explanation on how to do it, because some people explain how to do it, but they don't tell you something very important that may if you don't do it correctly, it may damage the way that the babies grow. So I will be right back. Your love is rated X. Okay, you guys, so you see how I cut them? I did not move the position of the leaves because you have to make sure that the bottom, see, this is where I just cut it from, so it's still a little bit wet. You see right here, I made sure that I still kept it like that so that I know which way to plant it. The side, the end where you cut it from, that's the part that's going to go into the soil. Allegedly, I've seen other people say that if you plant this upside down, the plant will not grow. So I've been doing it like, you know, I've been doing it the right way so far, and it has been working. My first try was obviously this one right here, and it does have roots. Let me see if I can show you guys. It's a month. It's been a month actually, and you see when you take it out, there's like one. Let me see. It's like one right here. It's a little blurry, but it's one here and then one right here. And I think this one is growing slower because this one was actually cut and it was in water first. I tried to do the water propagation first, which didn't work, and I was afraid that I was going to damage this one, so I just took it out, let it dry, and I planted it in soil. Now you can let these callus over, or you could just plant it in soil right away, and wait a few days to water them, right? And like regular snake plants, you know, they don't need too much water. You have to make sure not to overwater them so that they don't get water rot. I'm like tongue-tied today, I don't know why. Let me see if I can fix this so that you guys can see. So I'm going to just go ahead and plant these in the soil. What I have here is actually regular soil, so let me see. I want you guys to see this clearly, right? So let me take this stick away. So this one is big enough to hold all of them, right? So you just go ahead and stick them right in. I'm not gonna let them callus over. I'm just going to go ahead, stick them in the soil, and wait a few days until I actually water them. There we go. I think actually I might need another container because I have a lot here. I have 8 pieces, so let's see. And I'm making sure that I know which side to like plant them so that they don't grow wonky, you know. Okay, let me see. Let me actually do this. Let me turn this right here. Okay. You know, once they start growing bigger, then, you know, you can move them over to their individual pots, and then, you know, I have these 3 left. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take another pot. Let's see. Bear with me, you guys. I'm gonna have to put soil in this other pot. Let me move this one away for now. Okay, you see here a new pot, and this should be good enough for these 3 remaining ones. Right there. And this one. Ooh. Okay, you guys, so here we go. We have 5 here, we have 3 here, and we have this one that's a little bit ahead, and that's it. And I'm gonna wait a few days before I actually water them because the cut is still new, and then after that you water them maybe every 3 to 5 days, once a week or so. Usually you can just stick your finger in, and if the soil is extremely dry 1 inch in, then you should go ahead and water it. But I will come back with a video in maybe a few months to show you the progress of all of these and this one. Hopefully by then these will all have roots, and fingers crossed, because I tried doing this before with water, I failed. I tried doing it with this type of snake plant, and I tried doing it with the moonshine snake plant, and the moonshine snake plant obviously rotted, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video. And yeah, I have these pieces left. I don't know if they're gonna, I doubt, well, this one I don't think it'll do anything, but I'm gonna stick it in here somewhere. Well, maybe. Alright guys, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and check out my links down in the description below, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.